Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI, and everyone is talking about an amazing supplement, liposomal glutathione. It gives you tons of energy, works as an antioxidant. It has so many great positive effects on the body. What's nice is it's liquid, so if you have a problem with pills, it's really easy to take. This one is by AMANDEAN, and it has a bit of a fruity, intense flavor, but you just have to take a tiny amount each day. I don't even take a whole spoon. You can see how easily it comes out there. So here's a closer look at it. What I'll do is I'll shake it up before I use it, and you're supposed to take it on an empty stomach. So I'll take it first thing in the morning before anything. You can see it's like a opaque, almost like a yellowish cream color. So it's super easy to take if you can't take pills. If you're looking for a glutathione supplement, try the Liposomal Glutathione, and this one is by AMANDEAN. It's a great product. I feel really good taking it. I think you'll like it too. And that's my point of view.